Hey everyone, welcome back to Profit Quests. If you're into crypto, you've probably heard about dozens of wallet apps, but today I'm going to show you one that stands out. Fade Wallet. This multi-currency wallet app is built specifically for Telegram's 1 billion users, and it offers features that simplify crypto transactions. But what's even more exciting is their multi-tier referral system. Not only can you store and swap cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT, but you can also earn real rewards by simply referring your friends. So, what exactly is Fade Wallet? It's a multi-currency wallet that supports major cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. You get auto-generated addresses for each currency, making transactions super simple. Plus, you can filter through your transaction history by date, amount, or type, so managing your crypto has never been easier. On top of that, the wallet has built-in cross-chain swaps, meaning you can instantly swap cryptos between different blockchains without needing to use centralized exchanges. It's quick, it's seamless, and most importantly, no complicated interfaces. Now, let's dive into the star of the show, the multi-tier referral system. This is where Fade Wallet really shines. Fade Wallet's referral system is built to reward users who help grow the community, and it's perfect whether you're a casual user or an influencer with a large audience. Here's how it works. You start off as a new user. Once you invite a friend and they register through your referral link, you become a referrer, unlocking more features and rewards. The more referrals you make, the more you earn. And the cool part? Your referrals can become referrers themselves and continue the cycle, boosting the community and your earning potential. Now, let's talk about the difference between a premium and a basic referrer. Once you become a referrer, you can either stay as a basic user or upgrade to a premium account. With the basic account, you can still earn $1 per referral after they complete their first daily task. But here's the catch. You'll be penalized $1 if they don't complete their tasks. So, while the basic account gets you started, upgrading to premium has its perks. Premium users earn $1 for every referral, and there are no penalties for your referrals' inactivity. Plus, if your referrals decide to go premium, they can bypass daily tasks and earn rewards faster. It's a win-win for everyone. Speaking of daily tasks, these are an awesome way to boost engagement. Once your referral registers using your link, they get a daily task to complete. Completing these tasks unlocks rewards for both you and them. And for premium users, these tasks disappear, making it even easier to accumulate rewards. It's a smart system that encourages users to stay active, and it's all about long-term community growth. Fade Wallet's referral system isn't just about getting new users. It's about creating a community where everyone benefits. The more people you refer, the more daily tasks they complete, the bigger your network grows, and the more you earn. According to Fade Wallet's roadmap, they're aiming to reach 10 million users by mid-2025, with an impressive daily transaction volume of 100,000 swaps. Just imagine the earning potential. And that's not all. Fade Wallet has built-in features like a risk score system to protect you from fraud, the ability to send crypto directly using Telegram usernames, and even staking options for earning rewards. All of this is powered by the Fade Wallet token, FWT, which gives you a 30% discount on transaction fees and will eventually be as integral to Fade Wallet as BNB is to Binance. So if you want to get in early on a platform that's designed for mass adoption while earning rewards for referrals, Fade Wallet is the app for you. Use the link in the description to join the app. Once you are in the app, invite your friends and start earning. And remember, if you're serious about making the most of your crypto journey, this is just the beginning. Like I said, I will leave the link in the description on this video. Thanks for watching Profit Quest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on growing your crypto wealth.